it's like, come on.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you like the first week or two of my core experience at Paul Mitchell, the school, Fort Lauderdale. This is our first day of core and we're just getting a tour. We toured the front desk, our product area, and then now she's showing us the color bar. She showed us the wash house, and really we got a tour like before starting our first day. I know all of us in my core class, we did tour the school prior to this day, so I guess they just wanted to give us another tour just to welcome us to the school. And then this is our classroom area where we spend most of our time. Okay, so I'm literally editing this video like I'm about to graduate. I took these videos obviously in core, and that was in January of 24, and we're now in November, and I'm literally about to graduate. So I thought, you know, let me finally get around to editing these videos for you guys. Okay, so this is a clip of me detangling this mannequin head. In core, we have like a sheet of like boxes we have to complete in order to like complete core. And this one, it's like the detangling experience or something like that, and it's really basic. We just had to like detangle a curly head doll. And starting out school, guys, I would say my advice is to just like come with an open mind, because they're gonna teach you like a lot of things that you thought you know, but there's really a right way to do things, and there's just little stuff like they teach you and like they want you to do. For example, like sectioning the hair with the clips, they will scold you for that. So just listen to them, and if they tell you to do something, just do it, and don't be that person that's like, oh, like I already knew that, or like I'm already doing this before coming to school. Like it doesn't do you any good. Like you came to school for a reason, so just have an open mind and just be ready to learn new things. This is Kiki. Oh shoot. Okay, so she has like wavy hair. This is like, I want to say 3B. And then, guys, this is Paula's mannequin. You want to be in the video? Okay, say hi, Paula.
Hi.
This is so cool. You guys want to be in my vlog?
Or like on the touch.
Melissa, do you want to be in my vlog?
Sure.
Okay, say hi.
Hey.
We did go over braiding. This is the Dutch and French braid. I did not know how to French braid. I didn't even know it was called French braid. I thought that was a French braid, but that's the Dutch braid, and the other side is the French braid. And we did like a basic ponytail, but we had to use like pins and rubber bands to do the ponytail, so I thought that was a really cool thing to learn. Okay guys, and this is me trying to do a roller set for the first time. Being that I'm almost graduating, I've literally had to do this like 1,000 times. So I've gotten pretty good at it. I can do it much more faster than you guys see me doing in the video. Obviously that comes with practice and repetition. So yeah. I didn't get any like recordings of us learning like the theory part of everything that we've done in core, but we had to do like theory on like the roller sets, the braiding, literally everything we did, like coloring, perming. And the theory part is like, it's a lot to learn, but obviously when you go like hands-on, you kind of grasp it better. But like for example, like the roller sets, we had to learn like the base, stem, curl, basically like the anatomy of how to do a roller set. There's like 9 panels and you are working in different sections and degrees and angles. There's 135 degree angles, 90, and if you do 135, it's gonna be on base. So there's just like a lot that they're gonna teach you about the roller sets. I feel like I will eventually just have half of it. I feel like I can redo this one. I'm gonna redo this one. This is the next day, and we took our mannequins out of the dryer, and I took the rollers out, and now we're just brushing it out. My learning leader, Miss Nadine, as you guys can see, she asked us to show our creativity and just create a style. You can see my face. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. But I just did like a side part.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me.
After we did our roller set, we kind of used it as like a foundation for a French roll. We went over the theory of French roll. She showed us how to do it first. And this is me attempting my first time doing a French roll.
It's just
magic go. I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days.
And in this clip, I am applying a relaxer. Not a perm, guys. It's called relaxer when you're straightening the hair. Yeah, that's something I also learned coming to cosmetology school. The product that you see me using here is cholesterol, guys. It's not a real relaxer, it's cholesterol. We use cholesterol instead of like the real product, obviously, because we're learning how to do the technique, and we don't want to actually like alter the mannequin's hair texture. So that is it for the first vlog of my core experience. I have more videos coming to you guys. I know when I was interested in going to cosmetology school, I would binge watch other people's vlogs and videos about their experience. And if you know me, you know I'm nosy and I wanted all the tea and info I could get, okay? And before starting, I said I'm going to return the favor and put school content out there for the newcomers. So this is me fulfilling my duties and finally getting around to these videos. I do have more content coming for you guys, including Kitmas. That's where we unbox our kits and our iPads, and I just remember it was the most exciting day, so I'm excited to share the video with you guys, so stay tuned for it. I hope you guys stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's over.